Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to make Game Pass in Please Donate on Roblox. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to open our Roblox account. And then once you're now here, go here in this part and then click the create button. Once you're now here, go into your creations, which is in this part, and then just look for the experience that you have. In this case, this is my place. So I'm going to click on this. And then once you're now here, just go here on the left screen and then look for monetization. And then once you find it, just click on passes. And then in this part on the creations, what we're going to do is to click create a pass. Now, of course, if you want to change the image, it's up to you, but I will just leave it as it is. And then, of course, name your pass. So I'm going to put this example. And then for the description, it's up to you, but I will just leave it as it is. And then I'm going to click on create pass. After creating that pass, what we're going to do is to click on that pass right here. And then what we're going to do is to go into sales. And then we're going to click on item for sale. So make sure to enable it. Now for the price, what we're going to do right here, just put the price that you want to put. So let's say, for example, 100 Robux. It could be 50 Robux or 150 Robux. It's really up to you. And then after that, once you're now done with this, just click on save changes. After that, just click on proceed. And then once you do that, what we're going to do next is to go back into Roblox. So just search for Roblox right here and then open please donate. So search for please donate and then click on the play button. Click on open and then let's wait for it to finish. Now, while we're currently waiting, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. Now, once we're now here, what we're going to do is to just look for a stand, which is this one. So I'm going to claim this stand right here. And then once you do that, as you can see, we now have this 100 Robux donation and please donate. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is.